Welcome to our guide on how to download Bloons BTD6 on your PC. First, you'll need to have Steam installed on your computer. If you haven't already installed Steam, go to the official Steam website and click on Install Steam at the top right corner of the page. Once you've installed Steam, launch it and create a Steam account if you don't have one. After setting up your account, go to the search bar at the top of the Steam window and type in Bloons BTD6. Click on the game title when it appears in the search results to go to the game store page. Here, you'll find more details about the game. If you've decided to buy the game, click on the green Add to Cart button. Follow the prompts to complete your purchase. Once you've purchased the game, it will be added to your Steam library. To install it, go to your library, find Bloons BTD6 in the list of games, and click on the Install button. The game will start downloading. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection speed. After it's downloaded and installed, you can launch Bloons BTD6 from your Steam library. Just go to the Library tab, find Bloons BTD6 in your list of games, and click Play. That's it for this guide. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye-bye.